So transpose of a matrix. So let's say we have this matrix with two rows, 2, 3, 4, and 3 columns. This is the first row, 5, 6, and 7. This is the second row, and there are 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3. Right. So finding transpose means in the transpose rows becomes columns. So this row will be converted into a column, right? So this row will become a column 2, 3, and 4. This row will become a column 5, 6, and 7. So this is the transpose. In transpose, rows becomes column. This row has become column. This row has become column, and columns become rows. This column has become a row. This second column has become a row. So this third column has become a row, right? So in the transpose, rows becomes columns. So let's see how to get this. So this was in the original matrix was of 2 by 3 dimensions. It is 3 by 2 dimensions. So let's see how to get this transpose in TensorFlow. So let's say our matrix, we have, let's say this T5 is our matrix. If I print T5, it is of this shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if I use transpose function, transpose, let's say T5. So I get the transpose. So now I can use this transpose if I want to multiply the matrices. For example, if I do T5, if I do the multiplication of T5 with itself, T5 with itself, so the multiplication is not possible because you see the dimensions of T5. This is T5, right? This is T5, original T5. So this is T5. So we are trying to multiply T5 with itself, right? So that means this is 2 by 3, and this is also 2 by 3 because it's a T5, it's T5 again, right? We are trying to multiply this matrix with, for multiplication, this dimension has to match, right? So that means either this has to be 3 by 2, that means either I should have 2 here or I should have 3 here, right? So that means if I have 2 by 3 here, this should be 3 by 2. That means I should reshape this. So reshape can be done by using either transpose or reshape functions. So we'll use both. So let's say first we'll use the reshape and then we'll apply multiplication. So we'll call tf dot multiply. To this multiply, I'll pass t5 and then the transpose of t5, or I can say tf dot reshape. To reshape, I'm passing t5 and the shape I want is 2, 3 or 3, 2, right? 3, 2. Because the shape of t5 is already 2 by 3. So now I want it to be 3, 2. So this reshape function will first reshape this t5 to 3 by 2, and this t5 is 2 by 3, right? So this will match, this dimension will match, right? So that's what we are doing here. So let's see how this works. So if I multiply now, if I do this, execute this. So what here, TensorFlow has no attribute reshape. Yeah, I made a spelling mistake here. So let me correct that. It's reshape, right? Okay. Okay, incompatible attribute, incompatible shapes 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2, right? So let me see here. It's 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and we are making it so t5. If I print t5 one more time, let me see here. T5 is 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, so 2 by 3. Actually, it should be matmul. The function which we call is matmul. Multiply. It's not multiply matmul. It's matmul. I'm sorry. It's matmul. Matmul. Right. Matrix multiplication. Yeah. Now I guess we got the correct answer now. You see. Yeah. Matmul. Matmul is for matrix multiplication. We are passing two matrices now here to this matmul. This is the first matrix, and this is the second matrix. This is the second matrix, right? Which is the first matrix is 2 by 3, and the second matrix is 3 by 2. After reshape, this reshape function will reshape this matrix T5. T5, this T5 is getting reshaped, right? So this T5 is getting reshaped, and on that reshaped matrix, we are multiplying this with T5, right? So this is one way. Other way is to use transpose, right? So I can use transpose also to transpose T5. Right? So we will say tf dot matmul, and now to this I'll pass T5 and transpose of T5, right? Tf dot transpose, right? And to this transpose I'll pass T5. So what should I get?